Hello, my name is Destiny and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a packing video. I generally pack in just a backpack for weekend trips. So far I've done up to 5 or 6 days just living out of a backpack, and I'm going to show you how I do it for a weekend. Today I am packing for a weekend trip to a warmer climate than where I am. So I will get started. First, you want to lay out all of your clothes that you are going to bring on your trip. You want to make sure that all the outfits match up. I have laid everything out and I'm going to pack in this packing cube. I got it off Amazon in a set. I think it had like 6 different pieces to the set, and this is like a medium to smaller size packing cube, and I really like that it has mesh on the top, so it gives breathability to the clothes. And with that set came this laundry bag. You always need a laundry bag when you're traveling, and this is really great. It keeps smells from passing on or anything like that, and you don't have to worry about losing your laundry. I'm going to start with my travel outfit. I like to be comfortable. I like to have long pants when I'm traveling, especially with airplanes. So I have these nice flowy black pants that I'm going to be wearing. It'll keep me warm while not too warm, and it'll work for an extra outfit as well. With this, I am going to go with a black exercise bra, extra comfort, and I'm going to also do a black tank top. It all kind of comes together and it gives very much a jumper vibe with the convenience of being a pants and shirt set. So I really like that. It's pretty much, it feels like you're wearing your pajamas on the plane. So I'm going to just set that off to the side right here. And then next is, what are my bulkiest items? I have a pair of capris, denim capris that I'm bringing. It is very hot there right now, but a lot of times I've found that when we've gone in the past, it may be hot outside, but it's really cold inside. So I just want to keep a pair of longish pants. So I'm going to start with putting that long waist here. And then I have a pair of white shorts. I love white shorts because they can look casual really easily, and they can be dressed up very easily, and it's just very versatile. And I just like to just roll them up like this. With jean or pants material, a lot of times rolling it will pack it the tightest, and it just usually works out the best. I'm going to actually stack these. These are the only things that I'll stack in my packing cube. Next, I'm going to go with my shirts. So I am only going for a weekend, so Saturday through Monday, but I am taking 4 tops. The reason for that is I like variety. I like to mix things up, so I want to have options. So I usually try to pick something that is either a neutral or in the same color family, so that I'm just sticking with the same pants. So I've got 2 tank tops, a crop top, and a t-shirt, just in case, depending on my mood and what I'm feeling. So I'm going to put those like this, laying them out. I usually cube them in a similar form to KonMari, just so that you can see all of the items that you brought. Next, I'm going to my pajamas. I just bring a comfy t-shirt and some gym shorts, and it works great. Guaranteed that I'm going to be comfortable, and I don't have to worry about modesty or other things. Just you never know when you're staying at somebody else's house. So I'm going to just put that in there as well. And then I have underwear, socks, and another exercise bra, just because that is going to be the most comfortable when it's hot out. So here you go. You have all the clothes that I'm bringing. I'll probably be wearing a light jacket or sweater in my travel outfit, and then I won't have to pack it in my backpack or in my packing cube. Now, I'm probably going to just move that a little bit more to the center, and I'm going to close this up. Make sure you include your travel laundry bag. I don't always put it in the packing cube, but it's always easy to throw in there. Here is all the clothes that I'm bringing. And as you can see, it's very nice and easy to see everything, but also keeps everything contained in case you have to open your backpack for any reason at all. I've gotten my backpack checked multiple times, whether it's because of liquids or gummies or whatever it might be. You just want to be on the safe side and not have all of your clothes spill out when you are in the airport. Next, we're going to talk about the bathroom bag. Now, if you're traveling by plane, you have to keep your liquids all in a clear plastic bag, something like this. It needs to be like a quart size. I really like this because it is a structured bag, but the zipper opens up very big. I got it in a set of 6 on Amazon, and I have loved them, and I use them all the time. I frequently will use 2 of these when traveling. I'll have one with the liquids and one with non-liquids, but on this trip, since it's such a short trip, I am going to just put everything in here. And since we are going to be staying with family, I don't need to bring shampoo and conditioner. That will also diminish how many liquids I need to stick in here. Now, when you're going to start on your bathroom bag, you want to get everything out that you're going to need. You have to think about what is your morning routine, what's your evening routine, what stuff are you going to be needing, what things are you going to be doing. You need to take all that into consideration. I like to pull all of that out and lay it out and then look at what my liquids are. So I keep our toothbrushes. This is my toothbrush. I will add my husband's toothbrush to it tomorrow morning, but this will go separate in this Ziploc bag. The toothbrushes are a little bit too long to fit in here, and since they're not a liquid, they don't need to go in there. And I just like to keep them in this bag because it keeps them clean and separated from everything else. So as I start with this bag, we are going to start with my toothpaste. Since I'm already on that, I'm going to stick this in here, and then I'm going to go with my face wash that I use every night. And I'm going to just kind of crisscross it to try to maximize the space in here. And then I have my body lotion to like my skin to be moisturized, and I have such a tiny bottle that it's worth putting in here. But here I have put some contact solution in this bottle. I will be wearing contacts most of the weekend, so I have to make sure that I have that. And then I have my perfume in, I just bring sample size perfumes. You can get them at different stores, wherever they sell perfume, you can get a sample size. And I just like to keep my perfume there so that I'm not bringing a big bottle, but I still want to smell nice. And then I have this Tide to Go pen. I consider it liquid because it's got liquid in there. So I'm gonna also put this in there. This has saved us so much because both me and my husband, we tend to spill things on ourselves, and you never know when you're gonna have a stain that you need removed. This helps instantly treat the stain so it doesn't set. And then I have my makeup. So I try to keep minimal makeup when traveling. I don't usually wear a whole lot of makeup to begin with, so it makes it a little bit easier, but we are going to be with family, fancier occasion. I have here my concealer, and then I have a nice, fun, bright lipstick. And then these 2 sticks that I forget the brand and the name of it, but they are eye makeup, and it works really great so that it will give me a pop without needing a ton of makeup. And then also I'm bringing makeup removing wipes. So that is the majority of my liquids. The only other thing I have is my husband's deodorant, and then I'm going to put my deodorant in here as well. So I'm just kind of continuing to try to find a rhythm of bulky on each side or crisscrossing. If you're going to bring a razor, you need to make sure you put it in your liquids bag as well. And then I have this little tin. It came with a chocolate in it, but I love it because it's the perfect size. If I'm wearing jewelry or anything, I can put it on the sink of wherever I'm staying, or on the bedside or whatever, and put my rings and my jewelry, any jewelry that I'm wearing, I can put in here. And I am going to throw that in here in this bag as well. And then I have my vitamins and ibuprofen. Just make sure bases are covered there. And then I also have this little case that you can get at Walmart. It has Q-tips in it. I used up all the Q-tips, and then I restocked half of the Q-tips, and on the other side I have a little Ziploc bag that has bobby pins and hair ties and extra earrings, and extra nose piercings, because when I was in South Africa I lost my nose ring in the airplane on the way there and went a week without a piercing in, and I was terrified the hole was going to close. So I am safeguarding against that by just always having some with me. So this is really cool. I like that it keeps everything contained and super organized. So I'm going to figure out a way to squeeze this in here. And you can just kind of maneuver things and move things around because it is a bit flexible. And then we're going to just zipper this up. Can't forget my comb. My comb is going to go in here because it's also something small that could easily get misplaced. And I don't want to lose anything. So I keep all the small tiny things together. With these bags, you just kind of keep moving it around until everything comes in. I'm usually in more favor of super organized, pocketed bathroom bags, but for traveling's sake, this is a wonder. I love this for flying. So that is the majority of my bathroom stuff. However, there are some things that don't fit in this bag, but they will have a place in my backpack. So that'll include my glasses case. My glasses case has a contact case and an extra pair of contacts and a glasses cleaning towel. I like to have that with me whenever I travel. And then feminine products, my nail clippers, and all the stuff that goes with that. And then I also bring my AG1. This is where I get most of my vitamins, and I love it. So then I have my brush, and this is a bag that I keep all of my cords in. I just wrap it in a circle and stick it in here. Super convenient. And I will actually put this in what I call my airplane bag. My airplane bag is this little bag right here. This bag, it's just a fabric pull string bag. I keep everything in here that I'm going to use on the plane, or could use on the plane. So in here I have tissues. Eye mask. Eye masks are so handy if you have a night flight and somebody has a screen on and it's blaring in your eyes and you can't sleep, or if you are just wanting to get some sleep and the plane's lights are still on or anything like that. It's just really handy to have. Hand sanitizer, and then corded headphones. I always keep a pair of headphones that have cords, because if you have an entertainment center on your flight, then you have to use cords. You can't use cordless headphones for that. I also have a little plastic container that I use for keeping gum and wipes and chapstick and stuff like that I keep in my purse, that will also go in here, along with any snacks and things like that I might want to have access during the flight. So all of that will go in here. Now sometimes I will keep the cord bag out in a different pocket in my backpack, because if I'm at the airport and want to plug in, I have easy access to it, but most of the time I'll keep it in here for charging my phone during the flight. Now, my backpack. This is my handy dandy backpack. I love this backpack. It's super convenient. and I've seen multiple people using it in the airports, so I added my own little personalized touches. I'll show you how I pack this. We're gonna start with this pocket right here. This has a place for my pen, which I just always keep a pen in there because you never know when you're gonna need one. And then I also have this little pocket right here where I keep my AG1. It just fits so nicely right there. And then in front of it, I will put the nail clipper packet. And then on this other side, I'm gonna put my glasses case. I'm also gonna bring sunglasses, so I'll probably stick that in one of the other pockets. This will go in this front pocket down here. And when my cords are not in my airplane bag, they will go in here. And then on this front pocket right here, that is where my airplane bag is going to find its home. That makes it super easy that once I get on the plane, I find my seat, I just open this pocket, pull that out, stick it in the back of the seat in front of me, and I can just put my whole backpack up or under the seat, depending on the size of the plane. And then my brush is going to go right next to my glasses case in here. And our toothbrushes are also going to go right in here as well. And it keeps everything nice, organized, and this is a super deep pocket, which is so great. Okay, now the main compartment right here, it's actually a lot bigger than it looks. So a lot of times if I'm traveling with a lot of clothing, I will actually pack this sideways. So it will just make the bag like that. But since I am not taking as much as I normally would, just because we're staying for such a less time, I'm gonna actually put this way so that the handle is going up. So that will make unpacking so much easier because I'll just pull it right out. And then here you can see there's two little pockets here. So one I'll probably put my sunglasses in, and then the other one I've got this chocolate bar. Why not? Let's just stick that in there. You never know when you want some chocolate. And then on this side there's also a nice deep pocket if I would need that for anything. On this trip I'm not going to need that. I'm going to just put my bathroom bag right on top of my clothing bag and zipper that up. The nice thing is it has zippers on both sides, so I can push it to whichever side I want. This back final pocket is where my laptop would normally go, so I would put my laptop right here. And here I like to put my extra shoes. So in this case, we are taking our flip-flops just in case we might use them. We are going to a warmer climate. We're going to be wearing sneakers when we go on the plane, but we will put our flip-flops in here to make it nice and easy. So that is what I am taking on my trip. We will be gone for about 2 days, and it all fits with plenty of room in this backpack. And I hope you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I love packing and I love traveling. I have gone on so many trips, even just this past year. 2022 has been a year of adventure. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.